Who's this guy?
Yeah. You want to go swimming with me?
No.
Ew. Yeah, you'd have creepy crawlies all over you.
What is that in Brazil when you pee in the water and that thing
Goes up your...
Yeah.
So this is holiday camping out in the desert. It is literally crazy.
It's busy.
It is so busy. I mean, there's a lot of groupings, obviously, gatherings, people getting together and all doing the same thing, you know, enjoying camping out in the desert. But
lots of big rigs, so hopefully we can finesse in the spots they can't get into, but we have the trailer with too, so
yes. So we shall see.
We shall see. Who's this guy?
Yeah, it's Vicarious Exploration. Check out their channel. We're meeting Cliff for the very first time, and we met him through some other channels through the Red Button Rambo.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Easy to spot. So we met someone pretty cool. He's been following our channel for quite a while. And we're gonna go check out his rig and introduce you to him. So check that rig out, guys. Military trailer with the camper on the back. Pretty cool little setup.
Indeed. And a furry friend, Dottie.
There's his other half, Dottie.
Hi, Dottie.
She's like, I don't like the camera. I don't know what that is.
She was being a little shy.
Yeah.
She's so cute. So here's our new friend, Cliff. We met him through a couple other channels from the Red Button Ramble, and we're so excited to actually hook up with you here in Arizona. This is awesome.
Yeah. Likewise, it was really nice meeting you guys. I had a really good time.
Yeah, it was awesome. We didn't record anything because we just kind of wanted to get to know each other and hang out a little bit and see if we liked each other.
Yeah, sometimes it's nice.
Great and hung out all night. And
tell us the name of your channel.
Vicarious Exploration.
That's so cool. Yeah, check out his channel, guys. You know, I mean, we are here to like support everybody and share our adventures with you and anybody else you know. So check him out.
Yeah, show him some love.
Yeah, yeah, show him some love.
Yeah, he's just getting started, so we need to see those subscribers bump up for him. So
I appreciate it.
Yeah, he's doing this full time too, by the way. Yeah. So this is his setup, and he's down here in Arizona for a little while, but you're stationed up in Montana.
Correct. Yep.
That's your home. So yeah, you know, and the only way we can do this is by the support of you all. So
100%.
we love it. We love it, and we wish you nothing but the best.
Yep.
Likewise.
And we'll
Safety.
probably see you soon, I'm sure.
Yes, we will definitely be seeing you soon.
We might even swing back out here if you're still out here, so we'll keep in touch.
Absolutely, that would be very cool.
Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. Well, we're gonna hit the road, and till next time.
Till next time.
We are leaving and gonna try and get to a bit different spot, something a little more quiet.
Yeah. I mean, so it is Thanksgiving weekend.
Yeah.
So it is very busy. Everyone and their brother is out here with razors, and I mean, I got nothing against it, but it's very hectic. So we're gonna try to find something a little quieter that we can have a normal kind of camping experience.
Yeah, what's normal?
Yeah, normal for us.
Yeah, normal for us. Keep coming. Got a foot. Keep coming. A little more. A little more. Well, we got to our spot. We finally got things kind of all situated and worked out all the bugs and the kinks and, oh, yeah. We had to go take the dirt bikes for a little spin quick to just get some stress off of our shoulders or whatnot. So here we are, all set up. Check that out. Quite the cool spot, right? You can see Andy and the dirt bikes through there. But just look at this. Even some cool water feature. We're gonna get back to camping and just enjoying this wonderful long holiday weekend. So there's something about this area, we're not quite sure what it is, but it really makes us sleepy. Despite maybe a few razors or crazy four-wheelers that drive through and pay no attention to us being here, right? But it's getting to be about dinner time, and we took quite a bit of a nap already, and we still feel exhausted and tired. But we're gonna make up something really simple for dinner. We're gonna just have some simple Reubens with a little twist like we always like to do. So I'm gonna start making. So the simple Reubens, we've got our classic chaffles. We actually made these ahead of time because they do take a while to make a considerable amount of them, you know, in your little mini dash, our mini little waffle maker. So I'm just gonna get out enough for a sandwich apiece. They're kind of frozen together. Oh. And then we've got just some really simple meat, sandwich meat. We've got some pastrami and some beef with Swiss cheese. I gotta get out the sauerkraut to add. And then we've got this special sauce that Andy whipped up. It's kind of like a Thousand Island kind of dressing, I guess. So maybe Andy can put a little bloop in here so you know what it is. All right, so it looks like we got just the right amount of sauce here that we are going to spread on our chaffles. I'm just trying to see how much I have so I can evenly put it on all these because I'm starting to run a little low. I'm gonna spread that out nice and good. Get out some sauerkraut. And the trick we found with the sauerkraut to get all the excess juice out is to like put it in between a couple plates and squeeze it out. Works like a charm. That's quite a bit there. Put some on Andy's. Hopefully they'll turn out good because I've never made them before. Look at these. How do you think they turned out? They look pretty good. Hot! I touched my pinky. So we are going to dish these bad boys up and give them a whirl. That's a pretty big sandwich for you, babe. I don't know. Do you think I need to cut it in half or anything?
I got a big mouth.
You got a big mouth? Rise and shine, sleepyhead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry everyone. I'm just kind of feeling, I don't know, a little off.
Well, and I was
Really
telling them
tired.
earlier too, like, we don't know what it is about this area, but it makes us sleepy.
Every time we come here, I just want to go to sleep. That's bizarre. So anyway, Sarah made me a Reuben. Looks like it's going to be messy.
It's going to be a big mama jama. Oh. How is that? Did I score? Tell
Pretty
me.
good. It's a little cold in the middle.
Is it? I was wondering about that with all that meat.
But the flavor's great.
Ooh, look at that. Dripping off the edge.
Yeah, that's that sauce I made.
Yeah. You're going to have to tell them a little bit more about that later.
I'll put a recipe in the right here.
All right. Yum, yum. Wow. Yeah, that is really tasty. That sauce really brings it all together. And I think I just have the right amount of sauerkraut on there too. Awesome. Oh my gosh,
How is that possible?
Yeah, there's like tons of little minnows.
Yeah,
Can
right
you
here.
see them? Okay.
Well, what's really bizarre is we were over here camping the beginning of summer, right? And this was dry. There was not a drop. So
Yeah.
where did all these come from?
Well, in that one that we thought that looked like a tadpole,
right
look at
there.
him. He's got like these two long weird tails. There he is. Ah, or something. I mean, this is
right
crazy.
here.
All this little
Right
wildlife.
freaking here.
Oh,
yeah, what is that?
Oh, wait. All right, you see him? Right
What-
there he is.
If you're from Arizona, what, or anywhere else, what in the world is that thing? It's
Ew.
probably, it almost looks like he has a shell.
Yeah. He's kind of ugly.
Yeah, they're nasty looking.
Yeah.
He's about, I don't know, what, inch and a
inch?
half long?
Yeah, wow. Holy smokes.
What is that thing? And
He's-
what are all the little white ones? I mean, they look like little fish.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, how can... That is so weird that this was completely bone dry a couple of months ago.
You want to go swimming with me?
No.
Ew. Yeah, you'd have
What-
creepy crawlies all over you.
What is that in Brazil when you pee in the water and that thing...
Goes
go-
up your
Yeah. I think it's somewhere somewhere over there.
somewhere.
Yeah.
Wow, this is strange.
That's
I'm glad
very
we caught
bizarre.
this.
Whew, the 400 was being picky, so I had to push start Sarah. I don't know why, if I flooded it or what. So she can drive it. It's too tall for her, but that's all right. All right, we are gonna head out, do a little exploring on the bikes. We've had flat tires, gas leaks, the drone batteries are literally all shot. The one that held the best charge was, luckily we were flying it over the pond and it didn't sink because we took it out of the drone and it was like warped and coming apart. So luckily that didn't happen, and then none of the other ones are holding a charge. So we're gonna go out and rip around a little bit. We wanted to get some drone shots, but at least we got some camping. Give her a head start. Oh yeah, so I got a new tank and new decals. I'll show you guys how cracked. It was the original tank, and when I did my solo ride, it just hairline cracked everywhere. Was leaking all over the trailer. Of course, it was 10 o'clock at night when I noticed it, so I didn't get to record any of it, because I just wanted to get all the gas out of the tank before it drained all over on the floor. So I just put that tank on, and yeah, I couldn't believe it. The cheapest tank I could find, which it was brand new. I didn't want to get a used one and deal with the same thing down the road. So a brand new tank was, I believe by the time it got shipped, it was about a little over 300 bucks. To me, that's very expensive, but so anywho's, and I'm like, well, if I have a brand new tank, I need new decals, and I think those were 90 bucks. And there's a lot of dead corners. Sarah almost wiped it. See, that's why we like that little bike for her, because she can put her feet down and control it. I'm gonna go first and just follow where I go, because I'm gonna just take the easiest path. Kind of neat. This is all hard rock right here. Are you okay with this or no?
Yeah, I am. I'll wait till you get at the top. Okay?
Pretty good sized little hill. That's where that thing is great. Shooting. Woo! That sounds like a 45. Oh my lord. Oh!
Yeah.
And then head back and
How much gas do you think you got? Busy out here.
that is.
Especially down this way.
Oh, what a beautiful day. I don't think I said this, but it's probably only 55 degrees or so out. It's perfect for riding. If you're not from Arizona, yes, it is a little weird to be ripping around with people shooting all over. It's a little odd. I mean, you're probably fine, but it's just always weird to have all that bang, bang, bang going on alongside you. We're getting used to it.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed our little trip and the fun that we had, but we are all out of water. We are all out of solar power station, drained. We feel absolutely grubby. And we're just gonna hit the road. But we hope you enjoyed. We hope you stuck around this long. And thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate everything. And we are off.
Bye, everybody. We will see you on the next destination.